Me ask a Triple Fish a defend Wagwan, but me not expect no better from him, you know. And you can't expect a better from a youth with him shameless. So people, when you see that Triple Fish now, I defend all that we say, don't be surprised. Him, we always defend them the thing there because I'm community.
Special, no matter what you do, don't mess up. But I know you know better.
Me never tell you no say Gaza doormat no in right. You don't notice now. You know see it say Gaza doormat is in love with the Gaza boss.
Welcome to Bl&st TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings. The viewers and subscribers, becoming yourself welcome to Bl&st TV, and the man of peace, and me always I say to the balance of the streets. Living love, unity and strength, life are the greatest gift, cherish each and every moment. Yes man, anyway, checking in from you know all one blessings, guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. In this episode, we have Neakofire again, like him up on a mission of bonfire again against the Gaza nation, them, you know. For where Vybz Kartel go on with. You see me? We also have a live performance from Bounty Killa long time. I see the general in action, you know. Big up general. You see it, we have one Kevin run out in defense of Vybz Kartel. I'm saying put him back part on the counter. Jah. Yeah, while Kevin the easy that we have Jah Model. Zine address one Kevin. Zine now we have he who boss. We see him run out as well. In a one boy, if him sitting tight and we Kartel have want to blow out. And this is the thing, you know, the trend. I don't want to see this trend trending in Jamaica, you know, but right now no surprise me. You see me? Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to see all of that said. I'll leave in the comment section. You know, the man of peace over there gear up for watch Arsenal tonight. Big up all of the Gunners fans, them, you know. Yeah, man. See it? Yeah, big up all of the Gunners fans, them. 2 games to go. See, check out my football channel, Phil's Football Zone. Yeah, man, so we are forward.
Killa, pray if you see your fall, but them out, them too bad mind. You know sick your body healthy, sha-la-la-la-la. Your bank book, your pocket wealthy, sha-la-la-la. You're active, you're not lazy, sha-la-la-la-la. And your looks and shape, but drive them and them crazy. You know sick your body healthy.
Alright, my line, that is a song we have on the Ilan Gully Rhythm. Your looks and shape. You can check it out. If you haven't seen it yet, leave your feedback. You know, so first and foremost, we all know what Vybz Kartel did twice. See, in double down and come out in a in black brief, and then come out in a red Jado star Vybz Kartel. Why you do that, Jaja? See, so every backlash, I would say one Kevin run out. Watch where I go on. Yo, watch him, man. Big embarrassment. Him not a family and a kids.
You know that you're special. No matter what you do, don't mess up. But I know you know better.
Yes, man. You know we have to mute some part of the thing called copyright. In free, we don't want to get strike. So the song we play, you know, Vybz Kartel new song. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. You see me I say? I say, one Kevin run out. Watch him, man. At the end of the video, man, I flick up all him body and all him. Jano star, I'm gone to far Rasta. One Kevin, why? Zine. Let me do a think of that below this. Anyway, watch the EU boss now. You see me, watch the EU boss. No, you know what? You have a Jah Model.
Make small don't tell me, tell them. Me never tell you no say Gaza doormat no in right. You don't notice now. You know, see it say Gaza doormat is in love with the Gaza boss. You know, see it say, I know defend him because of no, him a defend him because, you know, these type of man, when I'm in love with somebody, you know, I saw them go on, you know, some of them man there, you know. You see it? Look now. Why point him approve now when him gonna do what Kartel do now? You see what turn him on? Out of every video what Kartel post. Cartel post video with see them post video, sit up on car, post video, drink, all these things. And we never see Gaza Doormat replicate that yet. But as soon as you see the man who you're in love with, in boxer shorts and robe, you're really gonna try to impress him, but you're impressed by that. That is what you're impressed by. Gaza Doormat, that is what you're impressed by. Gaza Doormat, real talk. No, something is very, very relevant. You know what now? Your new name is Gaza Doormat Fish Cake. At pancake to it too. You're about fish cake and pancake. You have fish cake and pancake in a one youth. One Gaza, no, you can't name. No. Gaza Doormat one Kevin. Gaza Doormat one Kevin. You're low. You're low. Listen, me think me one of the biggest Gaza supporter them when they come into Vybz Kartel music scene. And guess what? Me now have see cat. Me can't watch my money in no box. I want to do that money, my man. I live up with that show back here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yo, me get some cooking. I go fry your blood. I go fry you. Gaza, one Kevin, Gaza Doormat, we have a fry your blood clot. We have a cooking oil paper. We don't tell which part we have a hold man catch bill up the fire. We are frying blood clot. You see all of a sudden big fish. We don't see for yourself, alright? Don't tell me, tell them. I watch the comment section, I watch the comment section. Don't tell me, tell them.
Yes, man, Jah Model, one Kevin was going at it also as well. One Kevin feel like he can take on everybody on the net, and what me I tell you. Jah Model say, what Gaza Doormat? But let me know if you agree with Jah Model say, my lioness. Zine, yeah man, one Kevin can't do 5. Shouldn't do that. You see what I say? But it's like the man, them selective. You see me? But anyway, watch the EU boss. This is a big buckery and disadvantage, them attack of the youth, Yeah, man. Jah knows that EU boss, them say him have autism, so him not ashamed, him no care. Him love the media, him love the limelight, and But Lampshade, you produce a song, and the song nice. Song like it can go on for the summer. Song bad. But Lampshade, why you send the man out in that? Why you put the young boy in? Lampshade, we are calling it Lampshade. Why you put the man in the video to go and do that? In that? Jado style. Let me know what you think about that. I don't want to see that trend then. I don't want to see a brief trend. I will say Vybz Kartel, I say somebody I call him I show brief. Yeah, some take bad things I laugh at. Anyway, watch me general perform now. Bounty Killa. Yes, man, that is the Bounty Killa. See me? The ground Godzilla. A long time when I see the general perform still. So for me, when I saw it, it's a joy, we love to see the live performance, man. I know when Killa working on energy, the king for the streets, King of Kingston, Big up Bounty Killa. Alright, so we are close off now with Neakofire. Zine, a bonfire on them TikTok. Listen and enjoy the juggling. See? And if you don't agree with them, I say, leave it in the comment section below. You know how the man have peace. Blessed love.
I don't think I not observe them. Me have to observe them because I have to know the people them. And me see their mindset because we live in a world where you understand people. The whole of them is a lava man. The whole of them. Here one of the dumbest thing me hear one of them say. One of them say, a man, me hear them talk about say a fish alone watch fish. A fish alone watch man. But at the same time, on the premium levels, you know, me hear them run with the narrative say a man alone a watch man. Where in a underpants, them can't see no man like that. But at the same time, them a cuss a man where burn it out. You tell me how that makes sense. You comment and tell me. You just comment and tell me how that makes sense. All of them we are born Neakofire. All of them we are born Neakofire. They must say me a fish because me a watch man. So me a born a man because me a say him no to do that. And then you have some man a come out and say me a fish because me a born a man where I do something lean. Where me not see as manly. All that makes sense. It's like them so dumb. Them not even listen to themselves. That makes sense, people. A raw truth Mondays, you know.
Pussy them loving mix up, so now ask why me just
raw truth Mondays, man. Me a burn the whole of them, man. Whole of them a get burned today. Hold on.
People me no discuss. When me touch the road, believe me say every clip tough. This uncle touch it.
Me a burn the whole of them, you know. And nobody believe me I bring down nobody. Me a talk the truth. Them no like hear the truth.
Kill me will be killing them first. With the God touch America, you know it is a must.
Hold on now.
They bite in the dust. I will prove them wrong always. Prove them wrong.
Me like prove people wrong, you know.
Prove them wrong.
Me like prove people wrong, you know.
We falling.
Me like prove people wrong, you know.
The fight can never over. Guide my steps over.
The fight are never over, you know. Guide my steps over, you know. People, wanna share the life, man. Don't get me 10,000 likes now. Cause you know my thing name Real Talk Mondays. You hear that one name? That one name Raw Truth Mondays. No hear me just say a while ago with that Monday name. When you talk me to 10,000 likes, man. Hey, nobody for the life, no support the life, no man. Oh, me not see no gift a float. Remember, I live have a support, you know. I give a fair float, you know, man. I remember the Raw Truth Mondays, you know. Hey, everything fair float, you know. The taps them fair float, the gift them fair float, everything fair float, you know. Cause we are easy, you know. Let me tell you something now. All of them we are talking, so them now have no responsibility to make them have a responsibility. Oh, it'll look big Neakofire. A company internet, I tell the youth them to do some little shaky things. How would I look Neakofire as one of the selector them with them on the internet where everybody know me I promote shakiness? You know I'm gonna look good, Bridget. And me I go tell you something. Me I tell you something. Me see one rumor where them a spread the whole day yesterday. You know how long them a try to take me down. And I try some little shakiness. Because them can't find nothing shaky for Neakofire. Them actually have to build something shaky for Neakofire. And I'm gonna show you something. Oh, them fool. You hear me just say a while ago? I'm gonna show you all them stupid. I have to send some words, you know. They must say me a fish and want to style me. And guess what them do? Them put me see them put AI video. Them use AI video, put me in a one robe and put me in a brief. All that makes sense. Me a bun the shakiness. And them same one take up me, put me in a robe and put me in a brief. What does that show you say? No, in a real life, what does that show you say? Them shaky. And because me not over there with them feel like them can't drag me down and tell all these lies. In a real life, when I talk to people, me a bun shakiness in a dance hall. Remember I miss a real man no purse. Remember me bun no triple fish. When you hear me just say a while ago, remember me bun no triple fish and say real man no purse. Purse is for girls. The whole Jamaica, the whole world know that. So all some boy take me picture, put on news something and say, oh me go take we go to country and then analyze me. One Gaza page. And all then take my picture and put me in a robe and brief. What you not try to say? Me a fish? You hear me just say a while ago? The whole of them over the shaky, man. You hear me just say a while ago? The whole of them over the shaky. Me ask a Triple Fish a defend Wagwan. But me not expect no better from him, you know. And you can't expect a better from a youth with same shameless. So people, when you see that Triple Fish now, I defend all that ways, don't be surprised. Him, we always defend them the thing there because I'm community. You see me? I'm community at the brief squad them at the band. Remember him we ban it too, you know. Remember Triple Fish we ban it, you know. And walk with person, I tell you them say nothing wrong with person, you know. So nobody expect not better from Triple Fish. We understand say him over the side of the world. I mean not really business or care, you know. But we just say nobody expect no better from him. So we don't want nobody say, yo, Triple Fish a defend it. We want to expect him to defend. We don't ever see Triple Fish a defend say yo, the youth them. We don't ever hear Triple Fish on a video I tell the youth them say them for sex the girl them vagina. We don't tell me something. We don't ever see Triple Fish on a video I tell the youth them a Jamaica say them for sex the girls them vagina. You no comment and tell me. You no ever see him on a video, I tell him say, I say, the Bible say, man to man is wrong. You never see him attack that. You no ever see him. We are reason, you know. You no ever see him stand up for something of morals. Wanna expect. And a real life, wanna expect better from a man. A man with thief crab in a foreign. You no expect no better from him, like seriously. Wanna expect from him. You don't expect nothing. Him just talk off his mouth, man. I eat that man. You know what? But me I tell you say, in a real life, you know. I be a shaking is them defend, man. Them not defend the culture, man. None of them not defend the culture. Neakofire defend the culture. That's why them can't stop me. Them can't stop Neakofire none at all. You understand?
Guide my steps forward.
Guide my steps over, you know.
Steps prove them wrong, dad.
Want to prove them wrong, you know.
Them wrong, dad.
No.
Break that one lie. Can't see we go under.
All who burn them and then shaking it. I be a fire emoji. It's a fire live this, you know. The raw truth man this, you know. Raw truth man this, you know. All who burn them and then look at shaking it over them, man. And all who support them shaking it. On fire emoji. For my life, you know. I won't pay for it. When you drop some fire emoji, we are fight for your culture. We are fight for your culture. Everybody, attile. Life still a go on. Attile.
Nobody no perfect, but me still a
Attile.
hurt me, but me still no cry.
Regular them hurt me, I was still not cry. No Neakofire.
Friend was a enemy and road these days. I wash out with bleach and GS.
Big rumor, them a spread for me. Imagine a youth like me, real superstar. Them think me a Triple Fish. We a thief crab. Them a talk about thief goat. All them fear spread rumor upon me. You better say well up. All them fear spread rumor upon me about me take with goat in a sentence better than analyze me. What kind of rumor that them a spread upon me? We never shake it, no time. Me not no shaky friend. We are light them up. All who know them not shaky. All the people in my life know them not shaky. We not support no type of shakiness. No type of shakiness. Lava.
Nobody no perfect, but me still a try. You let them hurt me, but me still no cry.
Man for move like man, you know. All who say man for move like man. No shakiness. No shakiness. The man never say no man no for move shaky. We are prove them wrong, you know. We not say no type of shakiness, you know. Attile.